Hey there. If you're frustrated because Cash App keeps blocking your payments, you're not alone. Many users encounter this issue. In this guide, we'll explore step-by-step solutions for how to fix Cash App blocking payments, ensuring you can seamlessly send and receive money without interruption. Step 1. Verify your account. The first crucial step in resolving transaction blocks on Cash App is verifying your account. Often, payments are blocked because your account lacks the necessary verification. Open Cash App and navigate to the profile icon. Here, you'll find the option to verify your identity. Complete this process by providing your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Ensure your information is accurate and matches your bank records to avoid potential issues. Once your account is verified, you should experience fewer problems with payment blocks. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Before diving into more complex solutions, verify that your internet connection is stable. Unstable internet can disrupt transactions. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data, ensure your connection is strong. Try restarting your router or switching to another network to see if it resolves the issue. If using cellular data, check that your phone's settings allow for app data usage. A robust and stable connection is essential for smooth operations on Cash App. Step 3. Ensure sufficient balance. A common reason for blocked payments is an insufficient balance in your Cash App or linked bank account. Check your Cash App balance by looking at the home screen, ensuring there's enough to cover your intended payment. Similarly, verify your linked bank account's balance. That's your primary payment method. If your balance is low, consider transferring funds into your account or using a different bank or card with a sufficient balance. Step 4. Update the Cash App. Another potential fix is ensuring your Cash App is updated to the latest version. Developers regularly push updates that fix bugs and improve app performance. Navigate to your device's app store and check for update. If an update is available, download and install it. Running the latest version of Cash App minimizes the chances of encountering bugs that could be causing payment blocks. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If all else fails, it's time to reach out to Cash App support for assistance. Open the app, navigate to your profile, and choose Support or Help. From here, you can describe your issue, and a representative will guide you through potential solutions specific to your account. They may identify issues on their end or provide further instructions tailored to resolving your payment problems. Understanding how to fix Cash App blocking payments can save you a great deal of hassle. By verifying your account, ensuring a stable internet connection, checking your balance, updating the app, and contacting support when necessary, you can navigate and resolve most issues that cause payment block. Keep your app updated and your account information accurate to minimize these disruptions in the future. Happy transacting.